लिए तो डिबोनो जो था उसने एक मेथड ऑफ थिंकिंग की एक बात की थी कि आदमी को सोचना कैसे चाहिए। ठीक है ना, एक बहुत महान थिंकर था, मेथड ऑफ थिंकिंग। तो मैंने उसकी किताब पढ़ी थी, तो मैं तुमको बता रहा हूँ कि मुझे क्या लगा उसमें से अच्छा क्या लगा। देखो उसने क्या कहा कि आप अलग अलग पैटर्न्स पे थिंक करते हो, पर हमारे लिए जो रेलेवेंट है, मैं उस पर अब मैं उसने बहुत सारे आइडियाज दिए हमें, पर हम लोग क्या करते हैं, एक प्रॉब्लम पे देखते हैं, टास्क पे ध्यान दो। इज इट करेक्ट? है ना?
Yes, sir.
और एक होता है व्हाट इफ और सिनेरियोस पे। ये
Mm.
बेसिकली चार हमारे, पर हमारा प्राइमरीली प्रॉब्लम और टास्क पे ध्यान होता है एज प्रोग्रामर्स, राइट?
Mm.
तो डिबोनो का ये कहना है कि से आप कोई प्रॉब्लम लो, से फॉर एग्जांपल क्लाइंट एक्स का रिसीवेबल टू बी रिड्यूस्ड।
Mm.
अब आप इसके बारे में 10 या 15 मिनट सोचो, 10 मिनट सोचो। 10 मिनट सोचने का
Mm.
डिबोनो का ये कहना है कि आप रिपीट करो, मिनिमाइज द रिसीवेबल्स ऑफ क्लाइंट एक्स। आप इसको से 100 बारी बोलो, 100 टाइम्स। ये समझ में आया?
Mm.
अब उस क्लाइंट के रिसीवेबल को कम करने के लिए क्या क्या है, तो देखो क्या होगा। रिकंसिलिएशन बिटवीन से टैली एंड क्लाइंट रिसीवेबल डेटा, ये एक टास्क है। इसके बारे में 100 टाइम्स जो है बोलो, अपने मन में
Mm.
बोलो, ये नहीं कि बड़बड़ कर रहे हो उसमें। इट्स नॉट दैट यू शुड स्पीक अबाउट इन पब्लिक।
Mm.
इज इट क्लियर? You should
Mm.
say it in your mind 100 times. So you break it up into tasks, you break it into a problem, and you break it out into tasks. This can apply for anything. It can apply for your job, it can apply for your anything. So you have to make a world in your mind and
Mm.
then break it into problems and tasks. Debona has got multiple lines of things. Are you understanding from where I'm coming? That is his
Yes,
philosophy.
sir.
So if it benefits you in some way, I'm just telling you so that you
Mm.
have it. So what he says is that what Debono says is Debono and these people say is that repetition of positive phrases is very good.
Mm.
That means if you repeat a thing which is positive, which is for the benefit of others, and you repeat it 100 of times. जैसे हमारे यहाँ in Hindu we have got what we call a mantra,
Mm.
right? So we, like our grandmother used to tell us, na, that you repeat the
Mhm.
mantra 108 times. I was a Brahmin,
Mm.
right? I'm a Brahmin, right? So my grandmother used to tell me.
Mm.
So he's saying the same thing, but he's saying apply that into your professional life also. सो ही इज एन अमेरिकन थिंकर। डिबोनो की तुम जो है किताब जो है वो ले लेना, हाउ टू थिंक।
Mm.
हाउ टू थिंक है, उसके बहुत सारे हैं। यू कैन ऑल्सो, उसने कहा कि विजुअलाइजेशन इज ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ इट। यू नो, यू विजुअलाइज समथिंग,
Mm.
राइट? सो इट्स ऑल दिस, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू। So you take a problem, break it into tasks, and think about each portion for 10 minutes and repeat the mantra 100 times. And then let the subconscious mind take over. ये तुम्हें समझ में आया? So
Yes, sir.
मतलब if it helps you anyway, because I will not be there, because I'm confident that you'll do very well. ठीक है ना
Mm.
बेटा? मैं एक दो बार ही बताऊंगा इसको, right? I'll tell you
Mm.
once. It's on the YouTube, but after this I'm very confident that you'll do very well, because you've cracked
Mm.
some tricky ones.
Mm.
Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना? So take a problem, take it into tasks and think about it. For example, my this thing is sales target of 100K. Okay, this is one portion. This is my problem for December. I'm just making it a very neutral thing. Okay, then I've got say 5 distributors. So then I have to
Mm.
take order from distributor 1. Now you think about it for 5 minutes. So you think about it for 5 minutes every day
Mm.
and repeat the mantra. Then take the order from distributor 2. So this is one way of involving a subconscious mind into something deeper.
Mm.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So I'm just telling you what De Bono thinks, because I was reading this book called How to Think, which I had, and I found that yes, these tenets can be very useful for programmers also.
Mm.
Okay, so try and see if you can see De Bono How to Think. This is something which might help you guys. Okay, अच्छा अब इसमें आ जाओ. So Ritik, I'll tell you we're probably looking up at aligning a project for you. ठीक है, but before that I'll have to check with Dipanshu, right? अब बेटा इसमें क्या है, your data is missing for bill receivable between tally and client spreadsheet. ठीक है ना? So the way to go about it is, and Ritik also just see that you should also pick it up, is step 1, import the tally data. B, import the client data into Power BI. Correct? Now your discrepancy can be on two bases. And Devjyoti, isme what happens is, once you do it, then also tell our colleague, so that he also starts picking up कि कैसे बनाना है. So make a new Power BI file. Is this clear? ठीक है बेटा?
सर मैंने तो ये सीक्वल में करके ऐड किया हूँ
ओह, तो तुमने सीक्वल में कर दिया है?
सर
what
सीक्वल
you
में
did-
बोल रहे हैं सर,
हाँ?
एक्सेल में सर, एक्सेल में करके ऐड किया हूँ, एक बार चेक कर लीजिए.
नहीं, I'm just telling you how to go about it. So do it before you check it, before you show it to me, I'm telling you. Then you have to do is accept 1 with 2. मतलब तुम वो वाउचर लोगे based on voucher number. So based on, because his company is not varying, company से हमें मतलब नहीं है, तो you have to say with CT1 as select voucher number from tally except select distinct करो. Is it correct? Select distinct and don't rush into it, because है ना, voucher number from client sheet. ये clear हो गया बेटा कि नहीं होगा? Select star from CT1. ये clear हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? Which in DAX would mean where A is equal to select. So distinct select columns. इसकी एक separate sheet बना लो, because I'm telling you a slightly tricky portion. Is it clear beta? So
Yes,
this
sir.
is coming from tally client data, then voucher number, comma, and I'm assuming that the client data is tally client data, and it has got voucher number, which is coming from his bill receivable data. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? तो ये जो है तुम इसको करो, just type it out. Then where B is equal to, is it clear? This distinct columns, right? This is custom data. Custom data. Is it clear? Just 1 second. Sorry, beta. ये कस्टम डेटा, वाउचर नंबर, कस्टम डेटा. यहां पे तुम्हें समझ आया? तुम्हें यही रिप्लिकेट करना है. where C is equal to except A comma B. Return C. So what you would get is, you would get that those vouchers that are part of A but not B. A का मतलब क्या हो? That are part of tally client data. बेटा एक एक करके तुम लोग करते जाओ इसको, but not part of custom data. Is this clear देवज्योति? Yes or no? मैं लिख के दे रहा हूं दोनों को, तुम लोग अभी इसको एक बार 2 मिनट के लिए कर लो, because I'm teaching you how to do this, right? बस इसमें कई layers आएंगी, because there can be a discrepancy on not only the voucher number, there can be a discrepancy on the amount also, na? How do we know that that amount is same? Is this clear? So again I'm repeating it.
Yes, sir.
Take a blank Power BI file, or you can do it. Take a blank Power BI file. Is it clear? Then, and please follow what I tell you to do. Matlab, don't do anything outside it. Matlab, if you don't follow what I do, because for example, I asked you to make receivables, you also added something else without informing me. I had a big problem. So please do what I do and keep the team informed. Take a blank Power BI file. Import the tally receivable data for the client. In the same file, import the custom receivable data for the client. Is this clear? Yes or no? Give the file
Yes, sir.
to myself and our colleague. Is this clear? Yes or no? यहां तक पहुंच गए?
Yes, sir.
उसके बाद do exactly the way. This is the SQL code and this is its DAX code. यहां पे तुम्हें समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? इधर उधर प्लीज मत करना. Just follow a structured systematic plan. कि मैंने सर ये कर दिया, मैं तो फंस गया. Right? अब ये. Then take those vouchers that are part of the custom data but not part of tally data. Of tally data. ठीक है, तो ऋतिक मैं आपको सिंपल से स्टार्ट कर रहा हूं. इज दिस क्लियर? बेटा क्लियर है कि नहीं है?
यस सर.
मैं आपको बहुत सिंपल से स्टार्ट कर रहा हूं. सो ये अब इस केस में क्या हुआ? बी कॉमा ए. यस और नो?
यस सर.
क्लियर है? यहां तक तुम दोनों कर लोगे?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes,
now
sir.
it can happen. Now there is a scenario where the voucher numbers can match. मेरा वाउचर नंबर इज मैचिंग, दोनों में कॉमन है, बट देर इज एन अमाउंट मिसमैच. ये हो सकता है कि नहीं हो सकता है? इज दिस क्लियर? भाई अमाउंट मिसमैच हो सकता है.
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
Now you need to go very, very carefully. So don't rush into it. Just do it very systematically. So first step is select the common voucher numbers between so how you do it is select the voucher number along with the receivable amount for tally data. right? Because I cannot show the client data of the client. So therefore I'm coding it here. Then var A is equal to distinct columns, correct? I put the tally client data. यही वाला है tally data. Yes or no? Yes, na? I have voucher number. Is this team clear? But I also put the receivable amount. Is this clear? And in order to ensure that your receivable amount is, you can do a, you have to match it. So what you do is you format your this receivable correct as general number. यहां तक तुम लोग पहुंच गए दोनों? यस और नो? करेक्ट, यस और नो?
यस सर।
है ना? तो बेटा आपका जो है ऋतिक, आपका भी सेकंड प्रोजेक्ट लगा रहा हूं मैं, ठीक है? I'm trying to close it, but I just need to talk to Dipanshu about it. But I'm trying to see to it. And that's, Anusha, once you come back, then we hope that you can pick up one. Huh? Then var B is equal to ये वाला जो डेटा है, distinct columns, ये. So Devjyotis is going very well. Client is happy. They are asking me to, they want to do it. They want to stretch it further. So Devjyoti would be fully involved with the client, right? So ये हुआ. Oh sorry, I put voucher number. Sorry, this is receivable. Sorry dear. Receivable. ये तुम लोगों को समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? Yes or no?
Yes.
Then there are multiple ways. अब यहाँ पे तुम्हें दोनों को join करना है. So what you will do is you'll say format this as a string. Yes or no? Then format this as a string. Is it clear, everybody? Now
Yes,
you don't want to do a join based on these two. You want to do a join based on these two. Only on the basis of voucher number you want to do. So the name is the same. So here, this name you need to change. Everyone clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
क्योंकि नहीं तो वो join कर देगा. I don't want to do a join. I want to have two separate columns. Clear है कि नहीं है?
Yes, sir.
Because this report is very, very important. So this is the first report which you will put it in DAX. First report to be put in Power BI file. This is the second report to be put in Power BI file. Because the complex portion has already been done. The item flattening hierarchy has already been done. That was very complex. Is it clear? Now this is the third report. So var C is equal to natural inner join between A comma B. हाँ के ना?
Yes, sir.
अब इसमें ये आएगा.
Yes, sir.
Now you need to add the columns for amount discrepancy. So you can tell, anything you can tell Dipanshu, because I'm expecting you to start, right? So मैं आपको बस सिखाता जा रहा हूँ. हाँ, var d is equal to add columns right? Add columns to what? To C. The column name is different underscore amount. Yes or no? Then switch से करें कि if से करें? दीपज्योति बताओ. Switch से करो. True.
Switch true.
If receivable underscore tally is equal to custom, then what is it? Amount matches, else amount mismatch. Is it clear? Yes or no? Control Z. Then you say return D. So this is your third report. So what you do, देवज्योति, is आप पहले ये फाइल बना लो, आपके पास ये डेटा है, आप ये फाइल बना के ग्रुप में दे दो, तो बाकी सब ये स्टेप को जो है each one of you replicates it at its end. So this is a small project. इसमें what will you learn? You will learn accept, you will learn select, you will select columns, you will learn distinct, and you will learn natural inner join, you will learn format, and you will learn switch. And you can also do it with if then else. Is this clear? So I'll start you off with simpler ones. The second project which I am doing is this thing. So I will after this close and then explain the second project.
सर ग्रुप में कौन सा ग्रुप में दूँ?
आप मेरे को दे दो, मैं इनको दे दूंगा, क्योंकि अभी इसमें से
ओके सर.
हाँ, because
ठीक है.
अभी Ritik, I have to go through Dipanshu and Anusha is going on a leave, vacation. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
Everybody clear? Yes or no?
Yes,
This
sir.
is a very simple project. पर ये क्या है, ये
Yes, sir.
बहुत ही critical report है. Because based on this, the collection factors will come in. Everyone clear? तो मैं इसके बाद recording रोक रहा हूँ.
Yes, sir.
हाँ?
ठीक है सर.
So basically, congrats Devjyoti. I think you are on your way. You'll do very well. ठीक है ना? There has been appreciation from the client. Guys, I'm also closing 3-4 more. I'm trying to close. अभी order नहीं आ रहा है पूरा. So उसमें मैं फिर बंदे ले लूँगा. 1-2 में तो मैं बात कर ही रहा हूँ. ठीक है?
सर ये मुझे भी भेज दो कॉपी का.
ओके. बाकी वैसे YouTube में है तो आप उसको देख लेना. YouTube से पता लग ही जाएगा.
ओके.
तो मैंने DAX भी बना दिया है. If
ठीक
I
है.
have made a mistake in syntax or format, you can change it at your end. But I've taught you distinct columns, except, natural inner join and format. ये पक्का पूछ लेना. So I will not start with something very complex. ये बना लेना. ठीक है? अभी कस्टम डेटा कुछ नाम और भी हो सकता है इसका, तो ये हो जाएगा. Receivable you will have to identify in from both the sheets. अब ये मत पूछना सर रिसीवेबल कौन सी है, because that will really upset me. Receivable you should be able to capture it from both the sheets. Is it clear? So this is the third report. So these 3 reports you can make it up and then you can submit it to the client. Correct?